Spice BabyFather reacts to picture of her and her new boo. Mackerel takes a lighter challenge and Teejay curry up some chicken in the kitchen. Stick around, full breakdown of these stories coming right up.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic.
Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Hope everybody's doing good out there and having a productive day. So by now you must see the photograph of Spice and the man kissing, right? It's going around the internet. It's been on the internet like 2-3 days now, you know what I mean? And I make it rounds. But I see this caption where it look like our BabyFather react, right? So the caption say, "No other man can't have you but me. Remember that. Me first kiss you, so him late," with some laughing emoji. Hashtag can't hurt me, right? Now, I'm not going to tell you so I know why I make this comment, but you can see a theme name and it sounds like him a talk about Spice, right? Because the picture of her and the man kissing. So, him a refer to kiss, him have middle finger, all kind of thing in the post, so more likely at that. But people may have more for sure now what him say, but me I go save that for the last of the video. So if you want to see the full thing of what him say and what him go on with, stick around for that, alright? We are going to move on right now and we are going to take a look at Teejay up top boss, you know what I mean, in the kitchen. I cook up some curry chicken. So I have a video clip with Teejay in the kitchen. So take a look at this video. Here goes.
You see me? Alright, watch it. See me all kneel up some little flour sitting for hook night, make it geek back our vibes. You see me? Catch my rice. Catch me. You see me? Don't know.
Yeah, man, big up the up top boss. You see me, I say, I cook up in curry chicken and fry him plantain and cook him white rice. You see me, I say, big up yourself, my G. So, we always see ding dang them a cook and we see Papi them a cook and them thing they like. And a whole heap of male artists we see cook. We don't know if all of them can cook, but, you know what I mean, the one them we can cook, them step forward and show us what go on. You see me? So big them up for that because we always see the female them on Star and we see, you know what I mean, them cook and them post and them thing there and them food look good. You see what I mean? I say? So big them up for that. So now people, let's move on, right? So Shenseea lighter challenge is still going. You see what I mean? I say? And it still have a buzz like it did all the while, right? So more and more people that take the challenge. You see me? And Shenseea even put out a little video and react to it. Hear what she say.
Do y'all see these goosebumps on my skin? This is from listening some of the videos, the lighter challenge. Let me tell you, I'm gonna get my goosebump, no lie.
So I have a next person will take the challenge, right? Mackerel took the challenge and Mackerel has sing her heart out. You see me? So I go show you the video. I'm going to comment and tell me what you feel about Mackerel singing. Me not talk about how Mackerel yeah them a go or nothing like that. Or singing me ask about. You see me? Because I see whole heap of people on IG comment them type of thing there. And I mean, Mackerel been around for over a year now, so we know say our eye them funny. So we don't have to really adjust that. You see what I say? But big up Mackerel still. So let's hear Mackerel lighter challenge. Here goes.
Baby, when the bright lights start to fade, fire up your lighter, flow on with the waves. You made me feel light. You made me feel light. You made me feel.
So like how me asking if you comment and me asking for no opinion, it's only fair that I give my opinion, right? So what me think honestly is that it's not perfect, but it dep on a level. It coming like with some training or somebody if you tell her say do this or do that, she can actually sing. You see me I say? I was impressed when I saw it at first. You see me? Cause me I say, whoa, Mackerel dep on a level. I mean like me say people, it's not the best singing, but it can pass for me. So, uno tell me for no opinion. That's my opinion, and I mean, put in the comment section and tell me what you think about Mackerel lighter challenge, right? So, big up Mackerel once again. Big up Shenseea. Big up Taurus Riley. Big up the whole Ramesh Entertainment team, right? So, people, we are gonna move on again. Remember, we still are going to talk about Spice BabyFather. I'm going to show you the full of him post, right? So I'm going to put that in at the end of the video, like I say again. So if you want to see and hear what him say, stick around for that, right? But right now, I want to talk about my friend Burger Fully Bad song. So him have a song when he back it up, right? For the ladies them. And the song are going with things people. Him just host a competition and Tough Crackers from Mobile win. So I say a dancer from Italy come second and then a next Jamaican girl come third. And me do that in a video yesterday and show the payout and thing. But I go put the link. Me just want to check out him song. Seeing because the song are going. You see me? But people, let's move on to what Spice BabyFather said then. Right? We are going to get into that right now. So like when you seen at the beginning of the video where him have a caption and him did talk. Now I don't know what that one is from or where him commented under. But this now when I go show you, this is still on his page so you can check it out if you follow him. Right? So when post and say him say, I am slowly learning that if I react, it won't change anything. It won't make people suddenly love and respect me. It won't magically change their mind. Sometimes it's better to just let things be. Let people go. Don't fight for closure. Don't ask for explanation. Don't chase answers. And don't expect people to understand where you are coming from. I'm slowly learning that life is better lived when you don't center it on what's happening around you and center it on what's happening inside you instead. Work on yourself and it looked like it cut off, right? I don't know why else they did it. But in the caption, him put and him say, trust me when I say this. I've come a far way. I've learned over the years that people will always be people. They will always believe what they want. I learned to accept life for what it is. So no matter what's said about, I care zero. I'm working on myself and to make my life better than what it was yesterday. Live, love, laugh. Hashtag me still a win. Now, I'm not going to jump up and say that party have a spice. But more feel like, you know what I mean, people are sending me picture or something and they might just get frustrated and I say this. You see me I say, maybe at that. Me don't know. Who want to think? It sound like you might talk about spice or this have nothing to do with spice or whatever. So me I say, get in the comment section and tell me what you feel. Right? Tell me what you think about this in the comment section. However, though the next part we are talking about closure and explanation and them thing they kind of make you one question it still. You see me? Well, I'm saying want to get in the comment section tell me what you get from this. You see me? It's not direct like the first one where I say Ray, I'm at the first one with kiss her, so I'm late. Right? So people, that brings us to the end of today's video. And if it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. For all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here, right? And if you just subscribe, welcome to the family. So everybody have a wonderful day, night, whatever time it is, wherever you are. And when you subscribe, make sure you turn on the bell icon for daily updates. All right, so thank you for watching.
We got that one in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina! Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yeah, they.